Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Chevy Suburban key fob here. It works for these models and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key to the bottom over here, and right here you see this small hole. This hole. Now take your small flat screwdriver and insert the tip right in this hole over here, like this, and now twist it a little bit and this will crack open, and the whole idea here is just to separate this fob into two pieces. Now when you separate the fob into two pieces like this, right after that here on this side you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery it's very easy again. Take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it here and just push the battery outside like this. And now when you remove the battery from here, just in the same place, now slide your new battery like this, and now make sure here the positive side is facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, just take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this. And now when you snap them together, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.